Replacing your home's windows is one of the best investments you can make. It enhances comfort, improves energy efficiency, and increases property value. But while choosing high-quality windows is important, the real difference between an average result and a lasting one often comes down to a single factor: professional installation. For homeowners in Middleburg, where the warm climate, humidity, and occasional storms can put homes to the test, proper window installation is essential to ensuring performance, durability, and long-term savings. Here's why hiring local professionals for your window replacement project is key to getting the most from your investment. Precision that prevents air leaks and energy loss. Even the most advanced, energy-efficient window can't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. Gaps, poor sealing, or misalignment can allow air to leak in and out, letting warm air into your home during the summer and forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. Professional installers take precise measurements and use specialized tools to ensure a perfect, airtight fit. They also properly insulate around the frame and apply high-quality sealants designed to withstand Florida's humidity. This attention to detail eliminates drafts, improves temperature regulation, and helps you enjoy lower utility bills, especially during Middleburg's warmest months. Expertise in local climate and building codes. Florida's weather presents unique challenges for homeowners. From high humidity and heavy rain to intense sun exposure, your windows need to handle a wide range of conditions. Local professionals understand these factors and recommend the right materials and designs for the area. For example, vinyl and fiberglass windows resist moisture and warping, making them ideal for Middleburg's climate. Professionals also ensure your replacement meets state and county building codes, including wind resistance and energy efficiency standards. By working with installers who know the region, you can feel confident your new windows will not only look great but also provide the durability and protection your home needs. Protecting your warranty and investment. Most window manufacturers offer product warranties, but many of them are only valid if the windows are installed by a certified professional. De-installation or unqualified labor can void these warranties, leaving you without coverage if issues arise later. Professional installation ensures that your manufacturer's warranty remains intact. In addition, many installation companies provide their own labor warranties, giving you double protection: one for the product and one for the workmanship. That means if you ever experience leaks, condensation, or hardware issues, your investment is fully protected. Proper tools and techniques for long-term performance. Window replacement involves more than just removing old glass and fitting in new panes. Installers must handle precise leveling, caulking, and frame alignment to prevent warping and water infiltration. Professionals use specialized equipment and proven techniques to guarantee that each window operates smoothly, seals tightly, and looks flawless once installed. In Middleburg, where sudden rainstorms are common, proper sealing is especially important. Poorly installed windows can allow water to seep in, leading to wood rot, mold, or structural damage over time. A skilled installer ensures that won't happen, protecting both your home and your peace of mind. Saving time and avoiding costly mistakes. While DIY home projects can be rewarding, window replacement is one job best left to the experts. Incorrect measurements, damaged frames, or improper sealing can lead to expensive repairs and poor results. Professional installers work efficiently and safely, completing projects in a fraction of the time it would take most homeowners. They also handle disposal of old materials, saving you from the hassle of cleanup or potential injury. With experts on the job, you can enjoy beautiful, functional new windows without the stress or guesswork. Enhancing home comfort and curb appeal. Professional installation doesn't just improve efficiency, it enhances the look and feel of your home. Properly fitted windows improve symmetry, reduce outside noise, and elevate your home's overall aesthetic. When installed with precision, your windows will operate effortlessly, seal perfectly, and maintain their appearance for years. You'll notice the difference immediately: quieter rooms, consistent temperatures, and enhanced natural light. Final thoughts. For Middleburg homeowners, Successful window replacement is about more than choosing the right products. It's about ensuring they're installed with care, precision, and expertise. Professional installation guarantees airtight seals, long-term performance, and compliance with local building codes. It also safeguards your investment through valid warranties and craftsmanship that stands the test of time. When you trust local experts with your window replacement project, you're not just upgrading your home. You're investing in comfort, efficiency, and lasting quality. With the right professionals on your side, your Middleburg home will look better, perform better, and stay protected for years to come.